everyone, welcome back again to Official Sister TV. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. And if you have not subscribed to this amazing channel, what are you waiting for? Press that bell, turn the bell on in case of any time I just upload any new video, any update, you will be the first person to notify. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye. This is a very sad story, my people. This little girl, she's 10 years old. Her name Sulaya. The little girl, they stay with her own stepmother, which is the father of the girl, married to her mother, born 9 children for there, and the father drive the mother away. He can't remain only her for there. This little girl now, if the father go work, the stepmother will dey maltreat this girl so bad to that extent that her own stepmother, the pikin wey she born, the pikin dey 20 months old, that a year plus. The child name be Usman Abubakar. After the father go work, he go remain this girl and stepmother for us. The food wey the stepmother go cook give this girl, Usman go piss, he go shit for inside that food. Her stepmother will say make she eat am, my people. You say you know they do anything to am, make she eat am. The girl will still remove where the shit dey. The small girl, no option, she go eat am. Oh my God. I no just know why some people picky wey you no born, wey you get the heart to even treat other person's children that way. The suffer wey you suffer, wey you carry your own pikin for that 9 months, that is the same thing another person see. The same thing another person, another woman, that is the same thing the woman still carry for that 9 months. The stress wey you pass through, that is the same thing another person still pass through. And person will just get wicked mind to treat another person children so bad. The pikin go shit finish, they go send this girl make she go fetch water from inside well, take wash the pikin poo and everything. This little girl was, her enemy was so frustrated that she don't even know what to do, my people. That night, this story happened on the 18th of this month, December, wey we dey so. And yesterday night, the story come out, the news everywhere. That night, that night when the something happened, the pikin shit, wey as the shit finish, her stepmother comes, okay, make she go fetch water for where, make she take clean the baby up, Usman up. And the Usman follow the small girl, they go fetch water. As e reach there, now the small girl, Sulaya, now put that pikin, she throw am inside well. As she throw am inside well now, in dad come dey ask am say, where Usman? She come tell the dad say, Usman, set of people just come carry Usman. Now the father, im own father wey born this girl so, now he comes, okay, make they go police station. So that if they reach police station, make the small pikin talk say na own mother and her friends now come carry the Usman. Now the pikin come say, he no fit lie against her own mother. And the father come say, make she no worry, say nothing go happen. If she tell police like that, say nothing go happen. Now the pikin, as they reach police station, my people, now the small girl come open up to police, say, say see the way that they maltreat her. the stepmother and im own father, the way they take dey maltreat her, she no like. And the two of them, the father and the stepmother, they love Usman pass her. Say that night, he say Usman she make she go fetch water take clean the Usman up. Now she throw that pikin inside well. The pikin come narrate everything for police. My people, how person just dey wicked to that extent, say pikin wey you no born because you married to the girl father, your own pikin wey you born for there, after the pikin don e shit for the food and e piss for inside the food, you say make another person pikin eat that food, say nothing go happen. Like seriously, my people, una see how some stepmother, how some of them, they are so wicked. I no even know the kind heart wey they get to treat other person children so evil that way. Una see wetin the father and the own stepmother cause this little girl 10 years old pikin, because the girl say she was so frustrated, say she no even know what to do that very day. With that vaccination, now she throw that pikin of 20 months old, throw and put for inside well. Una see wetin the stepmother and im own father, wetin dey cause. Una see the evil wey dey cause put for that small pikin body, because a pikin of 10 years, she never mature to that extent say she go get sense like that. He say because when she try inside well, she no fit say that, she no do am say make the pikin die. He say because the pikin dey cry follow her that very day. With that vaccination, as the pikin dey cry follow her, with that vaccination, now she throw that pikin put for inside the well. My people, now see wetin the stepmother wey you know say you still get your own pikin, you know the pain wey you pass through for that 9 months before you come deliver. That is the same thing another woman. That is the same thing another woman still pass through. Pikin wey you no born, you fit get the mind to treat that pikin wey you no born in that such evil way. If na your own pikin, they treat am that way, will you like it? Will you like it? My people, it's so sad. It's so sad. The story is so sad, my people. Because all these things, my people, now the father and the mother, the father wey you know say your own pikin, how can because you married to another person, how can because you marry another wife, make they treat your own pikin wey you don first born? No matter other children wey you were born today, all those your children wey you don first born, they no feel reach am. No, my people are so wicked. People are so wicked, my people. Because the mother and the father, they are the causes of all this thing wey happen. How can you give person food, your own pikin go shit, you go piss for inside the food, you still carry and give another person children, make that pikin eat and say that no dey do anything for body? No, that 20 months old child na Usman, pikin of it's not even up to 2 years, my people, because that one is innocent as well. Because pikin of 2 years, wetin they even know? They don't know anything. Even pikin of 10 years, this Usulaya, she herself, she don't even know anything. My people, it's so painful. Please, if you are a stepmother, if you are a stepfather, please, the way you want me to treat your own pikin that way, still treat other person's children like that. It's just that it's so painful this 2020. A lot of all those stepmother, stepfather, the way that they do is so bad. No fit say that pikin no be you born, and that pikin wey dey maltreat bad today, that pikin will grow up tomorrow and become a great person in life. You can't tell. Pikin wey you maltreat, where the pikin dey, but you feel say maybe if the pikin don grow, God bless am with many things, you come say make e support that kind stepmother. E can never, or stepfather, e can never, because the pikin go look back the way they take maltreat her the time wey she dey small. It's so bad, my people. And this 2020 and all those kind of things still happen that night. I don't even know why all those things they happen for that Nigeria. Pikin wey you know, especially all those stepmother. Some stepmother, they are so wicked, my people. How can you just treat, and even the own father? How can you just hate that little girl mother to that extent? You can't even say make she lie for her own mother. Even say you and the woman no dey again. The children are just innocent of anything wey happen between you and the mother, or you and the father. The children are just innocent of all those things because they no dey there, wanna know each other. Well, my people, let me leave you guys for here. Leave your comment in the comment section down below. Bye for now. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.